Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. Stitch Fix is a styling service where you fill out a style profile and give them all your information, your wants, your needs, your style, sizes, all that kind of thing, and they will curate outfits for you. I will have everything about Stitch Fix down in the description. If you've never tried them before, if you've never tried them before and you'd like to try them, you can use my code. I will have it down below and you will get $25 off your first box. I will get $25 off my next box. So check it out down below. If you'd like to try it, use my link. Also, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Okay, let's get into this box. Stitch Fix does a preview now where they will send you 10 things to choose from, and you can choose, of those 10, you can choose 5. And I think I chose, if not all 5, I chose most of what's in here. Always a postage return envelope, as well as a note from your stylist. And let me see really quick if I still have Ash, and I do. Okay, we will start with the shoes. I did choose these. These are the Izzy Flannel Flyknit Flat. Wow, Flannel Flyknit Flat by Mia, and really cute neutral colored pointy-toed flats, which I need. I also like, well, hopefully they'll be comfortable. A lot of times with pointy-toed shoes you can get kind of squished at the top, so with these being like a flannel and a little bit softer, I'm hoping they'll be comfortable. But I think they're very cute. So let's start with that. Next, this is the Kearney Henley top by Fun to Fun, or Kearney. And I think I've tried this, not this top specifically, but a Kearney for sure. And it's cute. I like it's kind of a burgundy color with some yellow, and I think it's very cute. Hopefully it'll look cute on. It's got the 3, well, I'm not sure what makes this a Henley, except that it's got, well, it has one button, but they're calling it a Henley. And I kind of thought Henleys had the buttons, and I also thought they were a little more like a t-shirt fit, but let me know if I'm wrong about that. But they are calling this a Henley, and I think this is cute. Next, we have, this is the Nicole Textured Sweater by Pink Clover. I am drawn to more neutral colors, but I do have so many things in the tans and browns and khaki. I do think this is cute. It's just a plain long sleeve sweater with this kind of a knit. It is cute. I would have to look in my closet and see how similar this is to some of the other things that I have. Next, this is by City Blues, and this is the Annika High Rise Slim Straight Jean. It looks really high rise, which I really like that. No distressing, a little bit of feathering up here, but I like the wash. Very cute. And then last, another pair of jeans, and these are the Dion High Rise Slim Fit Jean by Judy Blue. Totally different wash, which I like. These are cute. Light wash. Is there any distressing besides the light wash? Not really. I don't see any. Maybe just a little bit. Like right here, there's just a little. There's really not a whole lot of distressing. But let me go try these on and we will see what we think. This might be a really quick try on. So I'll be back. Okay, let's start with these jeans. These are the Enica High Rise Slim Straight Jeans by City Blue. Size 6, $58. Small, I think. I think they're really cute. I love that they're way high-waisted. This is my belly button right here. I love that. I like the color. I like the wash. They're baggy. Let me know what you think. I was gonna look before I did this. I was gonna look and see what they look like on their site on a model and see if they were this loose fitting. This top is the Kearney Henley top by Fun to Fun, size medium, $44. I think it's really pretty. I like the colors. I like the burgundy. I looked in my closet and I have probably 5 burgundy, in the burgundy purple family, maybe 5 or 6 sweaters. And they sure send me the same colors, but I think this is really pretty. It's different enough. The sweaters that I have are pretty much solid. The one top that I have, I opened in my last Stitch Fix. It's not, I mean, it's completely different, but I do think this is really cute. I like the pattern. Let me show you the length of it. It's cute in the back. I like it. $48, is that what I said? $44. It's a really good price. Then these are the shoes, the Izzy Flannel Flyknit Flat, size 7.5, $49 by Mia. They are very comfortable. They are very comfortable because there's a lot of give in the flannel. Let me show them to you. I just popped out of my heel just popped out, so that'll make it easy. There they are close up. Pretty cute. So here's outfit number 1. I hope the other jeans are not, I hope they're a little more snug than this. I will be back with the sweater and the other pair of jeans. These are the Judy Blue Dion High Rise Slim Fit Jean Indigo size 6, $68. Again, I did not consider these a slim fit. Are they? I think these are really cute. I actually like these better than the other ones, and I do like the length better, but I think these are cute. The top, this is the Pink Clover Nicole textured sweater, brown, size medium, $46. Of course, I would wear it somewhat tucked in with this, with these baggish pants. And pretty sure I will keep these shoes. Because they are comfortable, because they are such a great color, and I think they're pretty cute. So I will keep those. Let's do a really quick wrap up. I think I am going to keep this Fun to Fun Kearney Henley top burgundy, $44. I think I'm going to keep it. I like the colors. I think it's really pretty. I can wear it with black. I can wear it with jeans, whatever. These City Blues jeans, Annika high-rise straight, $58. Not gonna keep them. I did see, these are, it says on this tag, eco-friendly denim, and then somewhere I saw a tag, here it is, that says made from recycled plastic bottles. So that's good, but I just didn't like the fit on me. I'm gonna try. This is the Pink Clover Nicole textured sweater in brown, $46. And again on these jeans, these are the Judy Blue Dion high rise slim fit in indigo, $68. I thought, oh my gosh, I have these, but I've got jeans hint of blue. I had to double check. So there's City Blues, Judy Blue, hint of blue, a lot of blue jeans. But let me know what you think. Let me give you the stylist pick subtotal. It's $265. If you get buy all discount of 25% is less $66.50, so that would bring it down to $199.49, which is not too bad. These were all very reasonably priced because I picked out most of them. And I do so many boxes that I do pay attention to price now. But anyway, I thought this was a pretty good box. Let me know what you think. That is it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time. Bye, y'all.